Hello, amazing star. Welcome back to class. I'm so pleased to have you again. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter R to letter O. Now, I want you to get ready as we sound and associate these letters. Letter R, letter R, letter B, letter B, letter K, letter K, letter D, letter D, letter E, letter E, letter F, letter F. Now, I want you to tell me the next letter. Good. Letter G, letter H, letter H. Now, tell me the next letter. Let me know if you are still there. Awesome. Letter E. And this? Good. Letter G, letter K, letter K, letter L, letter L. I want you to tell me the next letter. Good. Letter 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 O, letter O. Now, let's associate them with their corresponding objects. A as in apple. A as in apple. B as in ball. B as in ball. K as in cup. K as in cup. D as in dog. D as in dog. E as in egg. E as in egg. F as in fish. F as in fish. G as in gun. G as in gun. H as in house. H as in house. E as in insect. E as in insect. G as in jug. G as in jug. K as in kite. K as in kite. L as in leg. L as in leg. M as in mango. M as in mango. N as in needle. N as in needle. O as in orange. O as in orange. All right. This will bring us to the end of this class. Don't forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. I'm going to see you in our next class. Bye.